Alexa, Igloo home.
Hello, welcome to the Igloo. How can I assist you today?
Start up Igloo.
Okay, starting up Igloo.
Alexa, pause movie.
Okay, pausing movie.
Play movie.
Okay, playing movie.
Next movie.
Okay, next movie.
Next movie.
Okay, next movie.
Previous movie.
Okay, next previous movie.
Thank you, Alexa.
Glad to help.
Restart movie.
Okay, restarting movie.
About Igloo.
We design, develop and deliver immersive 360 degrees domes, cylinders, and all of the enabling technologies. Stepping inside an Igloo immersive space is a
Alexa,
bit like
turn on projectors.
turning on projectors.
Alexa, turn off projectors.
Turning off projectors.
Alexa, tell me a story.
We design, develop and deliver immersive 360 degrees domes,
Alexa,
cylinder.
Igloo team.
The Igloo leadership team. Igloo benefits from a strong leadership team, bringing together skills and experience in technology, business, sales and financial management. Dennis Wright, CEO. Dennis has more than 30 years in the technology sector.
Alexa, bye.
Just let me know if you need anything by saying Alexa Igloo Home. Bye for now.